and welcome to my beauty space. Today we are unboxing the Chic beauty box. This did just show up, so I'm excited to unbox this by monthly subscription. I have literally zero idea of what is in here. I didn't do any sneaky peekies or anything like that, but they did send this over, so thank you to Chic Beauty Box for sending this my way. I definitely appreciate it. Stay tuned for this makeup look, you guys. I literally was trying out Dollar General makeup. Stay tuned. Definitely stay tuned for that. So might as well stick around and subscribe. Anyways, a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. I greatly appreciate it. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys bunches. And for those of you that are taking my videos and sharing them over on Facebook, can I just tell you thank you. I love seeing that in my analytics. It gets me so excited. So thank you very much. All right, so a little information when it comes to the Chic beauty box. Like I told you guys, this is a customizable bi-monthly subscription, and as far as the price goes, it is a bi-monthly plan for $34.99. You can sign up for a 6-month plan or a 12-month plan and pay that in advance if you want. You're gonna see brands in here such as like Huda Beauty, NARS, Milk, Too Faced, but you are also going to see brands that are drugstore like Almay, Maybelline, you know, around that kind of area, which to me isn't a big deal. And this, like I said, is a customizable box, which is extremely nice because I think that a lot of subscription boxes are realizing that we want more choices, you know. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, because they sent this in PR, I did not do any customization, which is completely fine with me. Well, I get what I get and I don't throw a fit because I'm not ungrateful. Okay, so it did come in a little mailer. Ooh. And right off the bat, I do see that we have what looks like to be a palette. And this is what the box looks like. This is typically how it comes shipped. But because this obviously didn't fit in, that's why it was sent in a mailer. Let's go ahead and jump into this first because it just had this little bubble mailer. And I'm not going to lie, I don't know about y'all's like mailing system, but I had like my Thrive Market box was delivered today. And it was heavy, okay? And trust me, I definitely appreciate our delivery people, no matter who they are, FedEx, DHL, Laser, whatever. I appreciate them. But I just couldn't imagine, especially in this day and age when everyone has the camera technology, of just chucking somebody's package as if that don't matter, you know, like dang. Okay, beautiful, and nothing is broken. So this is by Ace Beauty, I think is what you guys told me is how you say it. This is so fun and gorgeous. You guys know, like, color scares me so much, but I love to look at it, and I always gravitate towards these greens. I just think these greens are absolutely gorgeous. That is so pretty. That is absolutely so flippin' pretty. And we already know that their quality of shadows are wonderful. So I do really like the fact that we do have a couple like muted tones or neutral tones in here, and I feel like if you cover up some of the scary ones, you'll be okay. I mean, that's what I have to do, but you know me, my eyeballs just gravitate towards the greens. I just think the greens are so pretty. And it's so funny because I'll watch people like reels and shorts and them applying like really colorful eyeshadows, and I'm like, how does your brain do that? Like, why would you have thought to put this and this and this together and then it, you know what I mean? But like, it's always beautiful, always beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna have to like maybe Pinterest some eye looks with some of these colors because you guys would get nothing but more than a video with a trust the process and me playing music and probably having to do a voiceover. You know what I'm saying? But I do think it's really pretty, and it definitely gets your girl outside her cozies in, which is fun to do sometimes. All right, getting into the box, we do have a card in here, and this looks like this is the, oh, it doesn't have a, thing on here. It says, Dear Chic Beauty, ditch the conventional box of chocolates and rekindle your love affair with Chic Beauty Box. This month, let's play Cupid and shower you with sweet treats that will sweep you off your feet. Capture the beauty of your box in a photo or video and share it on your go-to social media platform. In return, we'll repost your content and credit $20 to your Chic Beauty Box account. So if you purchase the Chic Beauty Box, which I'm going to say obviously this is a February box, definitely make sure to tag them. Hashtag Chic Beauty Box, hashtag Chic Beauty Gift for a chance at 20 bucks. Like, why would you not? All right, next in here, we've got the Slim Brow Pencil. Thank you. This is by Physicians Formula. And as far as the shade, I don't see it on here. That's okay, I'll just open it up. I really appreciate when subscription boxes put in eyebrow pencils, because I feel like that's something that we always forget to repurchase until we're like, oh my gosh. Unless you're me and you're a hoarder and you shop a lot online and you have that constant fear of I don't want to run out. Okay, so there we go. So it's got a little bit of a wax feel to it. So you definitely have to work that off, or like me, and I just broke it. Darn it. Okay, that's okay. Let's start over. Yeah. So once you get that waxy part off, you're able to really get it there. I did kind of have to press hard. So, but you're definitely getting that nice soft precision. And I really like the color. It's like a universally kind of taupe shade. So that's going to be really nice. I like that it's more, I feel like for me, a cool tone, which I enjoy with my pencils. And you do have a spoolie on the other side. So I don't know. I like that. It's going right into my drawer because I run out of those all the time. Next in here, we've got the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Petal Glow. I guess it's a bronzer. You guys, these are, I know it's drugstore, but these are like 20 some dollars depending on where you're shopping. Like, I feel like even at Walmart, they're about $17 to $18. I'm curious, does it smell like rose? Yes. I like the rose scent. It's a soft one in my opinion. If you lift it up, you've got a nice little mirror and a brush. Okay, definitely be careful because this is a radiant kind of bronze. It's not real. That's really pretty. Kind of reminds me of like a hint of the NARS Orgasm blush. You're gonna have to, for me, this is definitely one that I would not get towards like the part of this part of my cheek. I would need it out here because it's gonna show texture, and I feel like for me it would show texture and it would show my pores, and I'm not really trying to accentuate those, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, I do like that we got a little Physicians Formula, because I will say there's times that I go to the drugstore and I'm like, I'd like that, but I don't want to pay $18 to $20 for my bronzer, because at that point I feel like an additional $10 and I can get a Fenty Beauty one. You know what I mean? So I do like that this is in the subscription box. Next in here we got Project Lip. It's a Plump and Fill shade Chase, and is this a clicker? So it's like a nice like dusty rose or mauve. I love it. I love that. That color makes me so happy. I love shades like this because when it's got that cool undertone, it's gonna help your teeth look white. Versus if you have like a warm, like a peachy undertone, those are a no-go for me. Like, listen, your girl drinks enough coffee and sweet tea. I don't need that accentuated, you know? So yeah, I love this color. This is beautiful. Feels nice and creamy. It's definitely going to be one that's transfery, but it does say it has a plump, but it doesn't smell like a pepperminty to it, so that's nice. I'm definitely excited about that one. Putting that right into here. All right, next we've got another Beauty for Certain, and this I think is a blush in 03. Comes with that. I want to say we've gotten, maybe not from here, but we've definitely seen this brand a lot. It's a cream blush. I'm so excited. I love this color. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Okay, that I love. It's like a total like poppy slash bubblegummy buildable cream blush of gorgeousness. Ignore the fact that I made it a little dirty with my finger from swatching shadows. This is a yes for me. So you could always, well, I don't think I'm going to apply it here, but stay tuned because I'm back to playing in makeup in here. Yeah, I love, love, love this. I'm so excited. Okay, that is everything in the Chic Beauty Box for February. And you guys, honestly, I'm gonna just go out and say it. This is probably hands down my favorite Chic Beauty Box that I've seen in a long time. I'll be real with you guys, I don't get real excited when I see Almay in here. And there's not really too much from Revlon that I get excited over. And so seeing the Physicians Formula products and having like shades that I will definitely use, I like that a lot. And as far as this palette goes, although funky and bright, it's definitely workable and wearable, and it's coming from a really good brand that we know their quality is there. So overall, $34.99. I think it's code HOTMESS or Rhonda will save you on your first box, but I think this was a good bi-monthly box. I think if you don't want to get a subscription box all the time, I think this is going to be a really good option for you guys. We saw nothing but makeup, which makes me really excited. I don't feel like anything was really a filler type of deal, so good job, Chic Beauty Box. I like that. Okay, y'all, I am hopping off for now. I actually just received my BoxyCharm by Ipsy. I'm a little confused by some things, so we'll talk about it in that video. Like I said, stay tuned for this makeup look by the Dollar General makeup that I did. I actually hauled back in the summertime, but we won't get into that. Anyways, friends, check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, Hot Mess in the House for random, pretty much vlogs that I'm putting up now, and then of course our podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess, on Spotify and on YouTube here. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma4, and until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!